Good morning, everyone. Today we're back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we're doing, what are we doing? Scraps to embellishments. I just want to say swaps to embellishments, but it's scraps to embellishments, and I did use all scraps. Today we're supposed to do Boo-Hoo, and we're supposed to create a ghost embellishment with at least 2 layers. Now, I did not have a ghost die or a ghost stamp, so I just had to wing it because I kind of had how I wanted it to look. I wanted a ghost that was this shape, so I tried to sketch one, but that didn't work. I'm one of those people that can kind of cut out, and it looks better than if I would try to sketch it. So this is what I did. I actually sketched it or cut it out. Here it is, and then I traced around it. So this is the first one I traced around. So it's getting a lot of pencil lines on it. So this is going to be my pattern. Here's the back, so I know which is which. And so I've got 2 of them cut out, and I got all these traced out. So I've got, let's see, I've got 8 already traced out, and I didn't know if I wanted to do the little O's or the big O's. I kind of was digging the big O's. Hubby liked the little O's, so I think I'm actually just going to do some of each. So my swap partners, they'll be surprised with whatever they get. Okay, so I've already put these together, and I put these together so that it was these, I actually used them on Gotcha Day, I think. And anyhow, it's like, these look like they're stitched, and then it has a background. And I really love these. I think I got them off Amazon, and I know somebody was looking for them, and I could not find them again. You know, sometimes if you bought something, it shows, you know, you can look for it again, but I was not able to. But anyway, oh, I forgot all my stuff here. Where's my pen? Okay. Okay, here it is. I lost my pen. I got my pencil. Okay, so I just kind of guessed how I wanted the eyes to be, because I don't want him to look really frightening. I want him to be cute. And I just kept going over the eyes until I got the size I wanted, because first they just weren't big enough. And then of course I didn't have them smooth enough, so I had to keep doing it, and they were 2 different size eyes, so that's how my eyes got bigger and bigger. So I think that's pretty good. They're kind of close on this one. But so this time I'm going to do it with the bigger O's. And so I just put a little glue underneath his arm. Okay, I think that's good there. And then I'm going to, let's see, I want this here. So I'm going to glue a little bit of the back of the B. I think I might have to have some down here. Shoot, different size O kind of makes it a little more challenging, I guess. But I think it's going to be cute with big O's too. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one here. I just kind of like that shape. I kind of think it looks like Boo. I don't know, something like that. I thought it'd be cute. In fact, I got a day this week where I might actually use it. I don't remember which. It might be tomorrow's. So We'll see. Okay, so I think that's good there. And I've already got some more booze started, some more letters started, not booze. Well, I guess it's booze. And so now all I do is have to cut out the rest of my ghosts. It's like, it's not, you know, it's not a hard job because these just glue together, and I just think these are super cute. So I got these ones left. I thought I cut out so many today, and I was wrong. So I'm gonna continue to work on those, and I will have probably half of them with big O's and half of them with little O's. So that's it for today. Down below there will be a link to take you to the other people that are making ghosts today. And I will see you tomorrow. Oh, and if you haven't seen my 30 Days of Sketches scrapbook page, go over and check that out. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.